Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to plant and defuse the spike using Gekko Wingman in Valorant. If you're new to this agent, don't worry, it's easy to learn. First, practice in the game's practice mode to get comfortable. Remember, you need to have the spike with you. If your team has the spike, ask them to give it to you. Once you have the spike, go to either side A or B for planting. To plant, bring out Gekko Wingman by pressing Q on your keyboard. Here's a crucial tip. To plant, press the right click on your mouse, not the left click. If you press the left click by mistake, Gekko will run with the spike instead of planting it, giving the enemy an advantage. So, remember, right click to plant. If the planting spot is too far for Gekko Wingman to reach, it won't plant, so make sure to get close to the planting area. Once you bring out Gekko Wingman, a small indicator will show where you can plant the spike. To defuse the spike with Gekko Wingman, you need to see the spike. Approach the spike and use the right click to defuse it. Remember, the defuse circle only applies when you can see the spike. If you can't see it, get close to defuse it. That's it. Remember, use right click to plant and defuse with Gekko Wingman. Thanks for watching.